Morning viewers, lovely Saturday morning here in Killarney. No sun yet, it is behind the clouds, but it is already warm. It's got to be about 18 degrees already, maybe. It's going to be a hot one today. Last night got a bit messy, not for me, apart from my new addition. The boys, I think, stayed up a little bit later and probably feeling a bit rough this morning. Sure we get some nice footage of that. Heading out on a mini ride today, not massively long, but we got some of the coolest passes probably in Ireland that I've not done yet. Caha Pass and Healy Pass, looking forward to both of those. One involves 2 tunnels, I think, and the other one is like a little squiggly line on the map. Looking forward to that one. Tom and I just went out for a nice morning walk and a coffee. Head back to the hotel. A lot of B&Bs here, so it's basically one long road, Macross Road. Festivals at the bottom, city centre at the top, or town at the top, and it's lined basically with hotels and B&Bs. Got the Harleys in there. Silver Blue Manor, another one over there. We're staying in the Park Avon down the bottom. There's a big hotel which we stayed in last year is up there, and they are all full of bikes, totally full of bikes. The Harley Festival last night was absolutely packed towards the end. It does kind of seem a little bit like a mini Sturgis, I guess, especially in the evenings. This is basically the strip.
Is it classified as a Harley Festival?
It used to be, it's not anymore. It's like sponsored by Harley now. Yeah, it used to be, I think it was a European Harley event at one point because they move around, and I think it's stayed ever since. Last year there was way more bikes than this. There's a load around the back, but with Budapest on this year, I think a lot less of like the chapters have come here. I know a few less who've not turned up this year. They're going to Budapest instead. Probably why, but it's still really busy. Just probably not as busy as last year, but beautiful blue skies and not a cloud in sight. All that mist is burnt off, and it's perfectly set up for our ride today. Let's get on the road. It's 10 o'clock, but it feels fresh. Your body's fresh, the temperature's fresh, and you know you're in for a good day. I love riding at this time in the morning. Earlier the better generally, but this weather's amazing. Quick little stop here for a coffee. That was an epic route, that Caha Pass. Tunnels were really cool, actually. Rode into there and my glasses on, I couldn't see an absolute thing in there. But really cool road, right on the edge of a mountain. Definitely what I expected it was going to be. Nice twisties, nice to throw the Harley around for a bit. It's a nice little stop in Sugarloaf Cafe. If you're in the area, I'll put it in the description. Stop in there, it's some really good service. And some apple crumble and ice cream. Nice, really nice coffee actually, but the hospitality in there was really nice. Nice to finally go to a coffee shop and have some decent hospitality. Anyway, we'll get back on the road.
feel that, Colonel Sanders?
Freaking loved it back.
Guys, enjoy it?
Yeah, here's a bit of a mess now.
Yeah, you need to get a haircut.
Epic little road that turned out to be. I lost signal, I was fucking miles away. I had to run all the way over here across this marshland to try and pick up the signal again. Luckily it was returning to home, so I managed to capture it as it was coming back. Yeah, this is dodgy as well. I'm gonna fall through this bloody marsh now. Running around here in this bobhead jacket and t-shirt in 27-degree heat. Not the best, to be honest, but needs must. Anyway, let's get back to the bike. Just stopped here just before Ballaghbeama Gap. I'm in a bit of a rest, bit of a technical ride this one, so getting ready for it, deciding how we're going to have the cameras and so on and so forth. Awesome day so far. Some of the best roads I've ridden here in Ireland anyway, so looking forward to doing Ballaghbeama Gap, finishing off the day and getting back to the hotel, sinking a couple of cold ones. Let's do this gap. So we got back to the hotel after an awesome ride out. We've got jazzed up and we're heading up to the town to get some food. But check out all the traffic around here. Check this out. Hell yeah, brother. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the main strip of Killarney during Bikefest week. Absolutely mental. Just gonna have a look at the menu a sec. Inside on that. So once again, we're back in the Killarney Brewing Company. I have a couple of beers. Looking forward to this. So we decided against having pizza and just have an IPA in there. I need something a little bit more substantial than just a pizza for this evening, I think. Fancy smashing out one of these super nice burgers or something and a couple of sides. So we're going to head up to the town. A little bit of food and maybe another drink or two and then head back to the festival. Yeah, go wild. Last night in Killarney, let's do it. At this burger joint, just gone for the hangover burger with some fries. I won't film Tom, he doesn't like film for the better times, let alone when he's eating. But check out these fries he's got. So these are smashed fries. Basically got bits of burger and patty and stuff on it. They're nice. Tom's not a sharer though. Here we are, nice burger there in the Killarney Burger Kitchen. It's a really nice burger actually, almost as good as Hills in Brecon, which I had recently, if you can hear me. Yeah, nice burger, wine and milkshake, fries. Now it's time to head back to the Bikefest in the village.
Keep a change, you filthy animal.